Yo, if mac and cheese wasn't on the menu for y'all this weekend, y'all doing something wrong. This is mine. Let me show y'all how to get down. So I got about 5 different cheeses all shredded up. Then in a separate bowl, I got an egg and some evaporated milk with some seasoning, salt and pepper, the OG. A little bit of ground mustard, a little bit of cayenne. And I got that all switched up. Added my elbow macaroni to some boiling water. No, you don't need oil for this. Just give it a little mix, let it boil till al dente, and then get it in a strainer, then into a bowl with some butter, some sour cream, mix that around. Add that egg and milk mixture to it, stir it around. Then you want to go ahead and add your cheeses to it, mix that up, add some Velveeta, of course, more whole milk, more cheese. Now I don't know about y'all, but I can smell when mine is perfect. So I got a baking dish, got some macaroni down, put some cheese in the middle, then I put more of the macaroni. Went ahead and topped it off with some mozzarella and some more cheddar cheese. Then I hit it with some fresh parsley. You can use dried and a little bit of smoked paprika. Got that into the oven, covered for 20 and then uncovered for another 20. Cheese was pulling, the flavor's crazy. Try this one out and you already know it's a wrap. Let's go.